Hi my sweet people, today I'm actually making this fruity pebbles French toast, and if you want to know how I made this, then do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be mainly the fruity pebbles cereal, milk, bread, powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, egg, white sugar, and cream cheese. Okay, so by now if you're actually watching most of my videos, you know that the process of this is going to be the same. So you just need an egg in your mixing bowl, and then you can add in your sugar and then you can add in your milk. Once you have mixed the egg batter, and once it's fully mixed, then we can go on to preparing the cream cheese mix. Just get another mixing bowl and add in your cream cheese and your powdered sugar, and just mix it until it's fully combined. So this is my first time trying this fruity pebble cereal. Actually, it really looks nice and so colorful, but I usually don't really eat cereal that much. Even if I do, I normally stick with the normal kinds like I used to when I was a child, but never really tried this even as a child, so I'm not sure if this is new or something that I've never tried at all, but it was a good first try. So just put that in a bowl, and then next you can just butter your pan, and then you can fry your bread. Okay, here you can dip your bread in the egg batter first, and once you've dipped both sides, you can put it on top of the cereal and coat it with the cereal, and once it's fully coated, then you can fry the bread. So actually I saw this somewhere and wanted to try this, but I didn't really know the exact recipe ingredients and that sort of thing. So I actually tried this as the normal kinds of French toast, like how we used to do. So this is similar to my previous recipes, but after making this, I saw somewhere else that this will be better if you actually kind of crush the cereal so that it actually will be better to coat on the bread. So it will be actually like coating the bread more than how it is now, because I had a little bit of trouble trying to coat the bread with the Fruity Pebbles toast, the cereal. So if you want, you can crush it first and then add in, so it'll be better, I feel. So next time if I'm gonna make this, I'm definitely gonna crush it first because it will be much easier to coat the bread. That it's actually, there is some space. So actually from what I've noticed is that when I'm frying the bread, you can actually see that the cereal actually is the one that's getting like cooked actually, so the bread is not really getting cooked. So that's the issue I face actually. But so most of the time when I let it cook a bit longer, because I find that the bread is not cooked, so I actually find that the cereal actually gets a little bit burnt, but I mean it's still okay. But if you want to, definitely do crush it first before adding it, because it will be better. Maybe it will be easier to do it when you're frying the bread. So this was an interesting recipe actually, because I've never really had this cereal, so I didn't really know how it would taste. So I actually tasted it before trying it, and it was kind of a interesting taste because it's like fruity and artificially created or something like that, flavored or something. Yeah, so this is how it looked burnt a bit, so I had to like manually add in some of the cereals to coat the bread. But I mean it was still okay. I still had like time to add in the cereals, but of course you need to monitor on the bread as well, if not the cereal may get burnt. Fried all the bread, and then you can just put it on your plate and plate it however you want. So I'm just putting it all together here after cutting it in half. So I'm just adding more cereal on the top to make it look nicer, and then you can add in your cream cheese mix on the top or on the side, wherever you want to, and then you can add in maple syrup if you want to additionally. So when I tried this, I was like having a bit of sugar rush because the cereal is sweet, and then the cream cheese mix and the maple syrup, so it was like a bit too much for me. So definitely if you're making this, I don't think you'll be able to finish it, so it's a bit much even for me. But of course you can share this maybe for any kind of celebration if you want. So hope you guys like this recipe, and do try if you want. Like and subscribe my video if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.